Hi guys, I'm Marius and this is my channel XYZ Architect. Today we are going to discuss about microns. What is a micron? What machines are capable of measuring within the precision of a micron, and of course what to say to your colleagues or to your customers when they come to you and tell you that you have dimensions that are above or below the tolerance with 1 or 2 microns. So stay tuned and find out all about this next. So what is a micron? Well, a micron is a unit of length that it's 1/1,000,000th of a meter. It is used to describe sizes of very small objects. Generally, the human eye sees particles in the range of 50 to 60 microns, but anything smaller than this can be observable only with a microscope. So let's see some examples of very small objects that can be described with the length of a micron. Did you ever wonder what is the thickness of a spider's silk? Well, it is 3 to 8 microns. And how about the diameter of a human red blood cell? Well, it's 10 microns. Whoa, that's pretty awesome. We should mention also the thickness of a sheep wool fiber, which is in the range of 10 to 55 microns. And the diameter of a human hair is between the range of 17 to 181 microns. And for our final example, we can take the head of a human spermatozoa head, which is about 5 microns. So yeah. So the next time some colleague or some client comes to you and tells you that you have dimensions that are out of specification with 1 or 2 microns, you can tell them 1 or 2 of these examples, but try not to give them the example of the spermatozoa head. I don't know if you will be okay with it. Just think about it this way: 1 meter equals 1,000,000 microns. So keep this in mind. Okay, so what machines are capable of measuring within the precision of a micron? Well, the first one that comes to my mind is the microscope. Probably the first equipment invented by man that is capable of measuring with this precision. We also have laser trackers, laser line scanners, cameras. One that comes to my mind now is the cameras from the GOM machine, and my personal favorite and the machines that I worked on for 5 years now is the CMMs. So if you want to learn more about dimensional measurements and technical drawings in the future, please share and subscribe.